guys, I'm here again with another DIY for my kitchen, and this is the fabric lollipop. You can make these as large as you want. I'm going to show you how to do this. This is a very inexpensive, adorable, adds an adorable punch to your Christmas sweet kitchen. Meet me in my craft room and I'll show you how. Okay, so to do one large lollipop, let's see. I'm just going to measure. I'd say it's about 2.5 yards of this for one. Again, I'm making this big. Also, you can buy these different widths. This is a real thick one. They come even smaller. And I'll probably do a couple small ones just to show you. But let's get started with this one. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your hot glue on the tip of this. And you're going to put, well, this is the way I do it anyway. You can do it whatever way you want. But I'm going to glue down just so this end is already covered. Okay? And then you just start winding it whatever way you want, okay? And make sure when you're winding it that I wind it at an angle, okay, like you can see. Now, you can start putting hot glue a little bit. I don't put it all over, just certain spots. But you want to make sure that you're covering. In other words, you don't want to go like this. I'm trying to show you. You don't want any of this exposed, okay? But you don't want to overlap too much, because then it's just going to be too much material, and there's no reason to, use up that material by just overlapping it too much. You just want to make sure you're covering enough of the piping to where you're not going to see it. Okay. This would be adorable too for a little girl's room if she had like a candy theme, or I don't know, or a playroom, or for a baby shower. Think about a baby shower, you guys, and put big bows on the sticks. Also, let me tell you, I didn't even tell you, okay, so what you're going to need is you're going to need your material, your piping, your dowels, and I got these at Walmart. I think it was, well, it doesn't have the price. It was only a couple dollars. And then your hot glue. That's it. That's all you're going to need for this. So if you see, I'm winding it at an angle down, but making sure that I'm covering the next piece. Okay, so now I'm just going to randomly put a little bit of hot glue. Like I said, not on every round, but just so it's adhering a little bit every now and again. Okay, and this does not take long. You could do this watching television. Very easy. You could make some of these for a birthday party. You could make some as a bouquet for a friend. With a gift card, maybe. You know what I mean? These are, you'll see what I mean once it comes together. It's very cute. So I'm going to keep wrapping, and then before I start putting it together, I'll be back, because there's no sense in me just having you sit here watching me wrap this whole thing. Okay, so I have it wrapped, okay, and I'm getting out a dowel. Now I'm leaving my dowels natural. I want them natural, but if you want, you can paint them, you can wrap them with ribbon, whatever you want. But like I said, I'm leaving mine natural. Okay. So now what we have to do is we have to start wrapping this around to make the shape of our lollipop. Now this is where you will use the hot glue more, okay? Some people, you want to get this tight too. Some people will go to the, even to the point of sewing in between these. I don't. I'm just going to glue. Okay. So I'm just going into the, between the crevices of where I'm coiling it around. Now you'll see why you need more, why you use so much. Because like I said, this was 2.5 yards, right? Well, it doesn't go far once you start doing this. And make sure to keep pushing this down so it doesn't start coming up to a peak. You want it to lay flat. It's a lollipop, right? Just hold it for a minute. And you'll get the feel of it, you know, when you should glue and when it's okay not to. And put the glue in enough to where you're not going to see it. I mean, sometimes you can't help it, but if you can. Just take your time, be patient with it, let the hot glue dry. And as you see, I put the glue and then I pull it a little bit and then hold on to it, hold it against the last part. And remembering to keep pushing down to keep it flat. I think these are cute when they're exaggerated, meaning big, you know, whimsical looking. You're seeing it now, right? This would be adorable for a little girl or boy's birthday party in the theme, the color of whatever, you know, the birthday is. Or if you had like a carnival theme. Cute. I love these. I really do. These are so cute. And like I said, what you could do is you could just be watching TV and wrap these and then the next day glue them. You know, you don't want to do this if you're tired as far as gluing. Should always have cold water next to you. when you're gluing in case you burn yourself. You just want to make sure that that glue is pushed in tight because you don't want gaps. And I like making these in threes when you're putting them in a display. So I'm going to go around, finish it off, and I'll come back to put the stick. Okay, so I have it all glued together, okay? Cute. Okay, now you're going to take your stick and decide which side you want to be the front. Alright, so now you're going to glue it. Now what I do is I'll glue right about, not in the middle, a little bit below the middle, okay? But I'm going to take a little piece of material after I glue this on, just to help secure it. But first I'm just going to glue. Okay. And I'm just going to press down, being careful again because that glue can come up on you. I've had glue where I've glued my finger and I've had to peel it off real quick and had skin come with it. You don't want that. So keep your little bowl of ice water. Okay. I could even use, really I could use half, I think I will. It just helps to secure it, plus it finishes it off. And what you could do is get longer dowels if you wanted, you know, depending if you want them to be different heights, or you just put the stick down closer if you want. I've got paint. Oh, my hands look awful. Sorry. But that's the life of a crafter, right? Okay, there you go. How adorable is that? Oh my gosh. Now all you do is put a ribbon on, and I'll get some ribbon when I finish the others to show you, and then I'll show you where I'm putting this. Okay. So I have all of the lollipops done, okay? What I'm going to do, I'm not going to do any more than this because I have others that I bought from Hobby Lobby. So I have 3 of the bows all ready for this, and I'm going to put bows down here. I was going to put a smaller ribbon. I didn't like it, so I'm using this really cute, and I think it's very whimsical, this gingham, like I showed you. So I just folded it like you saw. A little bit more. Then here, You can use wire or Chanel stem. I'm just using this gingham ribbon. And I'm going to come here and make sure I got it even. And I like the two different sizes of gingham. I think it's cute. So I'm going to just fluff that out. This is wired, which is nice. Okay, and now we're just going to glue them. And I did try to just tie this ribbon, you know how you would tie it. I did not like the way it looked. It was too bulky. It just didn't look right to me. So, got my glue gun heated. I gotta see which bows because I made them different sizes. Laying down better, putting the glue on. Okay, these were so much fun, you guys. And like I said, you can do these for any occasion. These would be adorable for a little girl's birthday party or a little boy's. They would be adorable. Baby shower? What about a baby shower? These are going to look cute in the kitchen. Okay. Okay, I'm going to glue the last one and I'll be back. Okay guys, so here they are. What do you think? I think these turned out adorable. So I will be showing you where I'm putting these. So you'll be seeing these in my home tour for Christmas, and you'll see where I'm going to put these in my gingerbread and peppermint kitchen. Guys, I hope that I've inspired you to try this yourself. Use any kind of material. You can use them for any time. It doesn't matter what the holiday, not a holiday, whatever you want. It can be a birthday, it can be a shower, it can be a holiday, it can be where you just want to decorate with a candy theme. Whatever the case, I hope I've inspired you. And until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. Talk to you soon.